Hi guys, I will introduce myself first. My name is Nur Alisha Tira binti Marazi. My metric number is 03 DKA4A F1064. So, this is my team members, Nur Afdiana binti Afinas and Sarah binti Muhammad Safri. Introduction. The Malaysian construction industry is rapidly growing but remains one of the most hazardous sectors. This study analysed 145 fatal construction accidents investigated by the Department of Occupational Safety and Health (DUE50032) between 2013 and 2018. Let's continue with my friends, Sarah.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sarah binti Muhammad Safri. My metric number F1994. For first graph, almost half of fatalities due to falls. The most common cause of fatalities is falling from height, which accounts for around 43 of total cases. This means that nearly half of all construction-related deaths happen due to fall. This shows a sharp increase compared to other accident types. About one-third of cases from start by accident including incident involving objects, vehicle or structure make up roughly 34% of fatalities. This means that about 1 in 3 deaths in construction is caused by workers being hit by falling or moving objects. The trend remains consistently high over time. Less than 10% of cases due to caught in between accidents represent approximately 7% of fatalities. This means that fewer than 1 in 10 deaths happen due to workers being trapped between machinery or structures. The trend is relatively stable. Around 8% of cases involving electrocution accounts for those to 8% of fatalities. While this is a gradual increase, it shown that electrical hazard remain a concern on construction site. Minimal case from environment factor contribute to only about 3% of cases. This suggests that such incidents are rare but still important to monitor for workplace safety. That's all. Falls to a lower level, the leading cause. Falls to a lower level account for approximately 36% of fatalities, making it the leading cause of death. This indicates a significant risk for working at height. Second, transportation-related accident, a major contributor. Transportation incidents make up about 27% of fatalities. This shows that vehicle-related accidents at construction sites are a major concern. Third, contact with objects, a notable hazard. Around 17% of fatalities result from contact with objects, including being struck or crushed, highlighting the importance for proper equipment handling. Fourth, exposure to harmful substances, gradual increase. Exposure to harmful substances cause about 14% of death, indicating a rising risk of toxic environment and hazardous materials. Fifth, falls on the same level minimal but present. Falls, slip, and trips on the same level accounted for only 1.4% of fatalities, making them one of the least common causes. And last, other causes, smallest proportion. Other factors contributed to about 5% of deaths, showing that while this risk exists, they are less significant compared to falls and transportation-related incidents.
Hi, my name is Nur Alisha.Binti.Mak.Razi. My metric number 03DKA23F1064. Today, I will present about trends in accident statistics using two charts. Let's analyze how the number of accidents has changed over the years. From the first half of 2013, the number of fatal accidents increased slightly. However, in the first half of 2015, the number rose sharply, reaching its peak at around 13 cases. After that, in the second half of 2014, the number of cases dropped significantly, but it did not remain stable. Between 2015 and 2016, the trend fluctuated, showing both sharp increases and sudden drop. From 2017 to early 2018, the number of cases remained relatively low before rising again in the second half of 2018. Let's take a look at the second chart. In 2010, the number of reported accidents was the highest, exceeding 7,000 cases. From 2011 onwards, the number declined steadily each year. By 2015, the number of reported accidents has dropped significantly to below 5,000 cases. Meanwhile, the number of cases investigated by DUE50032 remain very low and almost constant. Now, I would like to invite my friends Diana to continue the presentation. Bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Binti Afinas and my metric number is 03DKA4A. I'm going to explain about this type of graph. So this is a line graph which represents the number of data of fatal accidents in construction from 2009 to 2015. The x-axis represents the years from 2009 to 2015, while the y-axis represents the number of fatal accidents ranging approximately from 0 to 160. 8 categories of fatal accidents were identified and analyzed. As you can see, fatal accidents numbers fluctuated but showed a steady increase after 2012. The highest numbers recorded are in 2015, which is 140 deaths, while the lowest number of fatalities recorded was 51 in 2011. A total of 129 accident cases were reported between 2010 and 2015. This graph is a pie chart illustrating the number of fatalities based on different types of accidents in construction sites in Malaysia from 2010 to 2015. The pie chart visually represents these accident types with different shades, which making it easier to see the proportion of each type of fatalities. As you can see from this graph, falls from height or the same level accounted for the highest number of fatalities with less than 50%, which is 56 deaths, while the second highest were caused by falling object, which is just a little under 20%. Other than that, the lowest accidents is caused by other accidents, including fire and chemical exposure, with only resulting 2 accidents.
For conclusion, the construction industry makes up an important part of the Malaysian economy, which could be described as a substantial economic driver for Malaysia. From the data of construction fatalities published by DOJ, falling from height was found to have the highest occurrence. Why the main contributing factors leading to the accident are work site and management factor. That's all. Thank you.